Welcome to our channel, where we explore the endless possibilities of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving into the world of passive income, money that works for you even while you sleep. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a full-fledged revenue stream, we'll cover 7 powerful assets that can help you generate passive income with minimal effort. Remember, while these opportunities can offer significant rewards, it's essential to consider the risks involved. So, grab a pen and paper, get comfortable, and let's discover how you can start making your money work harder for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips and insights on wealth creation. Let's get started. 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are companies that distribute a portion of their profits to their shareholders. The frequency of these distributions can vary, and there are different types of dividends. The amount of a dividend that a company pays out can vary depending on several factors, including the company's profits, its financial health, and its dividend policy. This can be a hands-off way to generate passive income, as you simply need to own the shares. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss our weekly videos on wealth creation tips. 2. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer a higher annual percentage yield, APY, than traditional savings accounts, which means your money can grow faster. The APY is the percentage of interest you earn on your savings account balance each year. The higher your APY, the more money you'll earn in interest. So if you're looking for a way to grow your savings faster, a high-yield savings account is a great option. 3. Rental properties. Rental properties can be a great source of passive income. When you rent out a property, you collect rent from the tenant each month. The amount of rent you can charge will depend on the location of the property, the size of the property, and the amenities it offers. Over time, the value of rental properties can appreciate, meaning the property can be worth more in the future than it is today. If you sell the property for a profit, you can earn passive income from the appreciation. Rental properties can also offer some tax benefits. For example, you may be able to deduct expenses related to the property, such as property taxes, mortgage interest, and repairs. You may also be able to claim depreciation on the property, which can further reduce your tax liability. 4. Certificates of deposit, CDs. CDs are savings accounts that offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts. They are a good option for people who want to generate passive income with their savings. CDs have value because they represent a deposit that you have made with a bank. The bank agrees to pay you interest on your deposit for a specified period of time. This interest can be a form of passive income, as you do not have to do anything to earn it. CDs are also considered to be relatively safe investments, as they are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, up to $250,000. This means that your money is protected if the bank fails. CDs can be a good option for people who are looking for a safe and secure way to generate passive income. They are also a good option for people who are saving for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house or retirement. However, it is important to note that CDs typically have lower interest rates than other types of investments, such as stocks or bonds. This means that you may not earn as much money on your CD as you would on other types of investments. Overall, CDs can be a good asset for people who are looking for a safe and secure way to generate passive income. However, it is important to weigh the pros and cons of CDs before you invest. 5. Digital products. Digital products are assets that can be sold online, such as ebooks, software, or courses. Once you've created the product, you can sell it repeatedly without having to do any additional work. Here are some ways that digital products can earn passive income. Direct sales. You can sell your digital products directly to customers through your own website or through a marketplace like Amazon. Affiliate marketing. You can allow other people to sell your digital products and earn a commission on each sale. Starting an affiliate marketing business. If you have a website or blog, you can start an affiliate marketing business. This means that you will promote other people's products or services on your website and earn a commission for each sale that you generate. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. You don't have to create products, deal with customer support, or handle shipping and logistics. All you have to do is promote the products and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. 6. Blogging. There are a few different ways that blogging can earn passive income. Advertising. You can place ads on your blog and earn money each time someone clicks on an ad. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products or services on your blog and earn a commission on each sale. Selling digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or software through your blog. Selling physical products. You can sell physical products such as t-shirts, mugs, or other merchandise through your blog. Selling sponsorships. You can sell sponsorships to businesses that want to reach your audience. Memberships. You can charge a monthly or annual fee for access to exclusive content or features on your blog. 7. Bonds. When you buy a bond, you are lending money to the issuer of the bond. In return, the issuer agrees to pay you interest on the loan, typically every 6 months. When the bond matures, the issuer also agrees to repay the principal amount of the loan. The amount of interest that you earn on a bond depends on the interest rate of the bond and the length of time until the bond matures. For example, if you buy a bond with an interest rate of 5% and a maturity of 10 years, you will earn 5% of the face value of the bond every 6 months for 10 years. Bonds are a relatively safe investment, as the issuer is legally obligated to repay the loan. However, there is always some risk involved in investing, and the value of bonds can fluctuate. Here are some of the ways that bonds generate passive income. Interest payments. When you buy a bond, you will receive regular interest payments from the issuer of the bond. These payments are typically made every 6 months. Maturity payments. When the bond matures, the issuer will repay the principal amount of the loan. This is a lump sum payment that can be a significant source of passive income. Capital appreciation. The value of bonds can fluctuate over time. If the value of the bond increases, you can sell it for a profit. This is a form of capital appreciation, which can also be a source of passive income. It is important to note that bonds are not without their risks. The value of bonds can fluctuate with interest rates, and there is always the risk that the issuer of the bond could default on its payments. However, if you choose bonds that are issued by reputable companies, you can minimize your risk and generate a significant amount of passive income.
These are just some assets that can generate passive income. The best asset for you will depend on your individual circumstances and goals. With hard work and patience, you can generate passive income that will help you achieve your financial goals. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more wealth creation tips.